welcome. We are so happy to have you all here on this beautiful, glorious day here in Plainville, Massachusetts. Today, you're seeing the culmination of a lot of effort here to really bring capabilities to our customer base here in Massachusetts and all through the United States. We know that bioproduction challenge continues and the continued challenges evolve. There isn't always a one-size-fits-all for our customers.
Moments like this are always a reminder that behind every investment we make, every capability we build, and every new facility we open, there is something much bigger at stake.
We've been excited to have Thermo Fisher here in our town for a few years, but this opportunity to bring new customers, new partners into town is very exciting.
The magic is the companies in our ecosystem that are working every single day to bring solutions to patients faster.
This is the most amazing place. We are so excited to be here. We know it's been in process for a long time, and we have absolutely been watching just on the edge of our seats waiting for this day. And so we are just so excited to have this kind of a resource here in the Commonwealth that can serve that entire pipeline.
This facility is about collaboration between Thermo Fisher, its customers, and ultimately our ecosystem.
We can help customers work through their process challenges through optimization, scale up, tech transfer, all at a much lower risk to help them accelerate their time to market and ultimately get therapeutics in the hands of customers sooner.
What we're particularly excited about is this is not just a lab. This is not just a show and tell. This is not just a training center. This area offers the true hands-on capability.
The ability to collaborate and drive innovation and impact customers is truly exemplified by the capabilities we have here in the Bioprocess Design Center.
Everything we do comes back to our mission to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer.